Relatively speaking, this kind of innocent so-called business rules, they now, at least as late as last October, they represent a huge chunk of the customs license broker exam. So you can't avoid it. It used, I think, back in the day, I used to start out my lecture citing three pillars of the customs broker license exam without which no one can pass. All right, so I think I'll just mention them real briefly because this is very important. It's still important, but those three pillars are getting kind of like shaken up by the fourth pillar, which is gets built. So imagine you have pillar 1, pillar 2, pillar 3, and now kind of like pillar 4, which kind of like is being built, and upon which stands the CBLE rooftop. So the pillar number 1 is entry. And entry, of course, it implies the procedures and the substantive rules related to getting the goods through US Customs. The second one is classification. Just like entry, always on the exam and always there, and some regard it as most difficult part of the exam. The fourth pillar is the licensed customs brokers, which is I say provisions related to licensed customs brokers, and those the provisions affecting them, what it takes to get a license, how it is, what they must report, what are the ethical rules requirement, what are the corporate rules, what are individuals rules, all that stuff, always tested on the exam. So those are the three pillars which always show up, without which, if you do not know, if you know something, I mean, if you decide to skip something, right, do not pick one of those, right? Because I've talked to people who said, okay, so classification seems hard, so I'm not gonna go through this. I'm just gonna go with learning stuff about entry, the CFR, and LCB stuff, and I'll be good. No, uh, you it's very difficult, if not impossible, to pass this with that. So this fourth pillar which is being built is other business rules. So that's the way I kind of see the exam transformation as it takes shape over the past 5 years, let's say. So extremely important to keep this pillar structure in mind, especially as you find yourself in a time crunch with respect to the preparation.